Hello students, this is the third part of tenses. So open your books, page number 102. On this page number, from this line, further the simple present tense. From here we are going to start today. Now listen carefully. Further, the simple present tense is used to describe object, places, peoples, etc. So if we want to describe about any object or about anything, about any place, about any person, so that time we can use simple present tense. Now for example, we will discuss first about an object, a pressure cooker. Is a metal vessel. Now vessel it means a hollow container. So this kind of hollow container is called vessel, that is empty from inside, with a tight fitting lid. LID. Lid it means movable cover. So the cover which we use on this pressure cooker, so that cover is called lid, LID, through which steam cannot escape. So that lid is very tight, that air cannot escape, go out from that lid. The lid has a tiny opening, tiny it means very small, called a vent, over which a valve sits. Pressure cooker help us to cook food quickly. Now next description. The new Maruti Suzuki Swift has a 4-cylinder 1300cc engine which produces 83 bhp. It has independent suspension on all 4 wheels and runs 14 kilometers on a liter of petrol. The car cost rupees 4.2 lakh in Thiruvananthapuram. Now about any person. The thief who has arrested by the police is about 165 centimeter in height. He has large eyes and brown hair, and he weighs about 75 kg. There is a long scar. Scar it means mark of injury left on the skin. So there was the mark of injury on his skin. There is a long scar on the left side of the face. Left side of the face there was the mark of injury. Next type. The simple present tense is also used to describe or to demonstrate an action or activity which is in progress. It means going on in action. At the present time, for example, Shoaib Akhtar bowls, Tendulkar hit the ball toward the square leg boundary. Here the simple present tense is used to talk about an action which is actually in progress at the moment of speaking. You can see that the example is taken from the running commentary on a cricket match. However, we use the present progressive tense more often for this purpose. You can also see this on television. For example, when an expert teaches the viewers how to cook a dish. Let's take the example of that expert. Today, I will show you how to make fish curry. First, chop some onion and fry them in oil until they are brown. Then I add some curry powder to the onions and heat the mixture over a low flame. Then I put in dot dot dot. So in this way we can express or use simple present tense for different kinds of things. So students, in this way this part ends here. We are going to stop it. I will do it all. Thank you very much.